What's good? What's happening, fam? What's going on? Everybody feeling good today? I know over here it's a nice sunny day. It's like 80 degrees outside. It's beautiful. Let's get into this. So I'm showing y'all how I organize and plan what I'm supposed to be doing pretty much daily, and the stuff that I record is what you see that I do on a daily basis. I also have a DIY coming up in this video. It's really cute and really fun. I got that off of a fellow YouTuber that I saw. Her name is Shanti, and I'll have a link in my description box to her channel if you want to check her out. She's really cool. Alright fam, so you see my glass jars here. I got those on Amazon. You can find them. They were pretty cheap, about $12 or something, and I got 4 of them. So, you know, if you really want to try this DIY, you can. It's not that difficult. My name is Bethany. I'm a wife and a mom. I have 7 kids, 6 at home. And I do everything on my channel from cleaning, cooking, DIYs, grocery hauls, shopping hauls, anything and everything you can think of. Everything that's associated with being a mom. That's my channel. If you're really into that and you need cleaning motivation, you need motivation period, maybe you're just tired and you want to watch somebody else do it, hey, you came to the right place. Just make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on your bell notifications. For all my returning subscribers, you know what it is and you know what we do. Let's get it.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now. Feel like I'm zoned out, put my phone down, damn it's cold out. Plotting on a rollout, we took our own route, really on our own now. These them winter schemes, plotting for better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the 70s. You gotta pray for enemies with jealousy, they only feed off the good-hearted. Just don't bargain, stay in your lane and keep hogging. Know that you a target and gotta finish what you started. Life of being an artist, gotta show them where your heart is. Put your all in, keep calling, keep going, don't stall it. Don't fall for what they all been dishing out. Just be yourself and it'll work it out. I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house.
Now, my little project is done. Everything is super cute. And it came out pretty nice. It did give me a little bit of a hard time, but you know, that's how it goes. But I got some fun stuff coming up a little later in this video with me and my husband, so stay tuned. You guys stick around. But ladies, let me know if you all have tried to do something like this to jazz up your space. Have you done anything different? Do you want to do something different? Let me know. Drop a comment. Let's talk about it.
Pure in my spirit. This life never ending until you near it. A lot of shit to bear with. Sometimes you don't want to share it, but don't keep it in cause you fear it. It's an epidemic sound and you can see right where I'm headed. I'm elevated, oh yeah. We was waiting, oh yeah, to make a statement, it's clear. The way them boys persevere. Yo, we taking the stairs. Don't let them get in our air. They go watch, I'ma stare. Tell them pull up a chair. God gon' answer our prayers. Living now. They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now.
I wonder if it's worth living now. They told me working 9 to 5 just to make it out. And now the dark nights got me needing mouth to mouth. Resuscitate my dreams, tell me what it's all about. I wonder if it's worth living now. They told me show a little skin just to make it out. They told me grind until I doubt, till I reach the clouds. Excuse me a little moment while I break out. Never let them take me out. Pick up where we left off.
Hi YouTube family. Well, I had to take a break from the house because I had to go do some things, pick some stuff up. And so me and hubby are out. Chick-fil-A in the car. You know, coronavirus. It is real.
It's real, man. It's really real.
Yep, we had to go to Best Buy. Did some stuff at Best Buy, then left from there, and now we sat in line for 30 minutes to get some Chick-fil-A because Five Guys wasn't open. And now we are eating lunch, so it's an impromptu lunch date. After this, we're going home, and I'm gonna get back to cleaning and all that good stuff. So that's how that one's going down. Are people angry because they can't get Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, man. Bro, get out of my way so I can get my Chick-fil-A. I'm not right.
Yeah, this line is all the way straight through the parking lot.
It wasn't like that when we got here, though.
Nope.
Because we don't like Chick-fil-A.
I think Chick-fil-A has crack in it.
I'd say so.
I think they put crack in their flour.
I'd say so. Because this woman right here don't like chicken. And when we're around the Chick-fil-A and we got money, I want to go to Chick-fil-A.
Yes, that is my story. I hate chicken. I know how to cook it, but I don't like chicken.
She's cooking really good too.
But I will go to Chick-fil-A for some chicken.
You sure will.
But see, that's the thing. I only eat boneless chicken if I do eat chicken. I don't like the bone in. I don't like legs and thighs and all that stuff. Like if I go to Popeyes or Kentucky Fried Chicken, I really only get the sandwiches from there. I don't get nothing else. That other chicken, you know, the buckets of chicken, I get that for my family because they like that stuff. I like the mashed potatoes and coleslaw and the french fries. Kentucky Fried Chicken got some bomb french fries. I don't know what they did, but they trying to step their game up. I'm like, all right.
Yeah, the french fries is all right.
Go ahead, Kentucky Fried.
Whatever y'all do, I'll get the 6 piece. You know, the 6 tenders. And the fries.
Well, we're gonna stop rambling and eat some food. I'll get back at y'all later. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, thank you for staying around. Thank you for hanging out with your girl. I hope you push that subscribe button. I hope you push that like button to let me know and let YouTube know that you like my content and you enjoy what I see. But I'm just letting y'all know that I got a couple of videos coming up, and it's a lot of home projects, DIY projects, trying to make my house a home because I currently can't buy one, so I gotta make where I live work. So if you hear any noise in the background, it's the neighbors blasting their music. But anyway, yep, I got a whole series coming up. You see my kitchen, I'm getting ready to redo that whole backsplash. I'm gonna do my countertops, and I got some other little things lined up for my bathroom, the one bathroom that I never show y'all. There's a reason why I don't show you, but that's coming up too. So stick around, subscribe so you can see all of this. Make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you get notified when I upload a video.
For the monsters dancing in your head, the devil on your shoulder, strong Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry, cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry,